how to solve such types of arithmetic progression questions. Let us solve this thing. So the first thing what you are going to do, you have to identify the terms in the sequence. The first one, example 1/2 plus 2/3 3/2. So this one just tells you 1, 3, 15. These are just odd numbers. I mean the top one, not the denominator, but you have to check the numerator, 1, 3, 15. And then if you check this one, the second one, they are just even sequences or even numbers. So the first thing what you are going to do, you have to find the number of terms in the sequence. Let us define it by n, and to find n, last minus first over 2 plus 1. So example, to find the even, the odd numbers, the number of terms. So last one, it is 15, right? Because next to 15 it will be 16, then 16 is just even number. So 15 minus 1, because 1 is odd number, so minus 1 over 2 plus 1, which will be 14 over 2 plus 1, which is 7 plus 1, 8. So this one is just the number of terms. And for the even numbers also, what you are going to do, the same thing. N is equal to last term minus first term over 2 plus 1. Last term is 16, and first term is 2, because for the even numbers, over 2 plus 1. So this will be 14 over 2 plus 1, which is just 7 plus 1, and it will be 8, right? Then after that, what you are going to do, well, you have to sum up the even numbers, sum of even. To sum up even numbers, you have to use this formula, n into n plus 1. So that means just 8 into 8 plus 1, which is 8 times 9, that is 72. After finding 72, as is shown here, for the even numbers, 2 over 3, 16 over 3. So the denominator is 3, so 72 divided by 3, which will be 24, right? 3 times 4, 12, 1 is there, 3 times 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, so 24, the first one. And for the second one, for the odd, sum of odd numbers, what it will be, you have to use this formula, n square, which is 8 square, it will be 64. But as is shown here, for the odd numbers, it is all odd numbers are divided by 2, so you have to divide this one by 2, which will be 32. So that means the sum of this one will be 24 plus 32, which will be 56. So the answer is 56. You can also just separate. In method 2, you can also separate them and just solve them. Example, what does it mean? 1 over 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2 plus 7 over 2 plus 9 over 2 plus 11 over 2 plus 13 over 2 plus 15 over 2. So you can use this one for the odd, and for the even, you can use like 2 over 3 plus 4 over 3 plus 6 over 3 plus 8 over 3 plus 10 over 3 plus 12 over 3 plus 14 over 3 plus 16 over 3. So if you are calculating this and this, you'll get the same answer like 56, but this one is the shortest method. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.